and welcome to Uma's Kitchen. Today's recipe is a wonderful chocolate cake that is made completely without any egg. This is a very easy recipe and a quick one too if you have all the ingredients at home. So let us take a look at the ingredients that we will need to make this wonderful cake. All-purpose flour 2 cups, brown cane sugar 1 cup, milk powder 1 cup, melted butter 1 cup, vanilla essence half a teaspoon, milk 3/4 of a cup, cocoa powder 4 tablespoons, chocolate morsels about 1/4 to 1/2 of a cup, baking soda half a teaspoon and baking powder 1 teaspoon. Now before preparing the batter, the first step is to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius so that when the batter is ready, the oven will also be nicely heated, ready to bake. First transfer this butter to another bowl and now we are going to whisk this butter very nicely for about 2 minutes till it becomes slightly translucent and thicker. You have to whisk this really very nice, only then the cake will be very soft and fluffy. And now we will be adding each ingredient one by one and simultaneously keep mixing as we add them. So first the raw brown sugar, now the milk powder, milk, and now the flour. Now baking soda, baking powder, mix again. And then add vanilla essence, cocoa powder and also chocolate morsels. So now we have all the ingredients in here. So the last step is to whisk again nicely everything together. Now we are going to transfer this mixture to this baking tray which I have already greased a little with butter. Now shake it a little so that it all levels up. And now we are going to bake it in an oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for half an hour. After baking for half an hour, we are going to insert a toothpick to test and see if it's done. So as you can see, little wet batter is still sticking to the toothpick, which means the batter is not fully baked yet. So we are going to bake it for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let's do the toothpick test again. This time you can see the toothpick is really dry, there is no wet batter sticking to it, so our cake is done. After it has cooled down a bit, remove it from the pan. So first release it along the sides and then flip it over onto a plate. You can cut it into smaller pieces of any size and shape of your choice. If you want to add little icing, you can do so after it has cooled completely, but even without the icing, this simple delicious chocolate cake is ready to serve. Thank you friends for watching. Do post your questions or comments and remember to like and subscribe Uma's Kitchen for traditional Indian vegetarian recipes made easy using modern kitchen equipment.